while we talk about politics, we have to show you our beautiful litti chokha stand. Very, very authentic. I don't know why Veera Raghav is standing over here, but I think he wants. No, I'm not. No, 1 second. I'm sorry, I mispronounced it. It's litti chokha, as according to Veera Raghav, and he's going to be making one. Please teach me how to make one. Come. No.
No, you've learned the art, no?
The reason for this is litti chokha is a iconic food from Bihar. Everyone has heard of it. Everyone loves it. It's available all across the country now, I hear, including in the south where I come from. I don't know if you get it in Bangalore. I'm sure you do.
Bihari restaurants are there.
One of the candidates and a superstar there, Shiv Khesari, used to sell litti chokha in Okhla. From selling litti chokha on a thela in Okhla, he's now a Bhojpuri superstar. So it's a great thing to have litti chokha. Veera, you could be the next Bhojpuri superstar.
Yeah, look at him.
I don't want to be a Bhojpuri superstar. I want to do a startup.
From Veera Raghav, you may soon have Veer Singh Chaudhary.
First of all, you just make us one. Let us see your talents in making a litti. First of all, and let's see how good you are.
Devender Singh, who's from Chhabra.
No, but I have a serious question to ask.
Mr. Litti.
It's iconic outside Bihar. How iconic is it inside Bihar, Ankit? Litti chokha.
Yeah, it's the staple food. So the day begins with dahi chura.
Yeah.
Then you have.
No, I disagree. The day begins with that sattu shake according to
sattu. No, sattu. When you go out, you leave your house with dahi chura. Okay. Then you have sattu that to drink, and then of course lunch is litti chokha. In the evening,
you know,
it's
actually
mutton.
People from Bihar get very upset if you keep talking about litti chokha. They say
because there's so much more.
They're like, boss, you know, we are typecast with this litti chokha. हम तो घर पे नहीं खाते कभी.
No, that is a very good question.
Why don't you ask a Bihari about it?
Let's go one by one.
घर पे बनता है लिट्टी चोखा इतना ज्यादा.
बनता है.
थोड़ा माइक पास लगे.
कोई भी हमारे यहाँ अगर कोई गेस्ट आया तो हम लोग लिट्टी चोखा बनाएंगे और अगर नॉनवेज खाने वाले हैं तो मटन चिकन के साथ लिट्टी उसको सर्व करते हैं.
Padmaja, what
पूरा एंजॉय करते हैं.
No, let's go one by one on this. Forget litti chokha. We're eating this right now, and I want everyone to dig in and get some of this wonderful thing. I'm drooling while anchoring. It's difficult for me. But Padmaja, what was the best thing you ate while you were on your journey in Bihar?
I really liked, I think they do excellent non-veg food.
Yeah.
They have very good, you know, in Delhi we have a lot of champaran mutton, but there's much more to that. They have very different kinds of homemade mutton that they do. So, yeah, that I would say was the standout. And just bhuja was amazing. Bhuja is really light. This, by the way, is bhuja.
This is the evening snack.
So we have a little bit of this in UP also, like you put chivda together, you know, mixed snack.
Courtesy Prabhakar, I have had this every single evening till I have been there. Like bhuja.
Prabhakar's office is
And sometimes it is served hot also.
Hot and with a mirchi. So Shiv, you just don't eat it like this. You have hari mirchi with it, and you eat hari mirchi and salt.
You know, like a lot of this you would see now being sold as healthy snacks. You know, diet namkeen.
So this is
as
OG
rustic
diet
as
namkeen.
Exactly.
Right?
This is what people eat for energy. You know, it's healthy. It's just lightly oiled. और हम उसको पैकेट में डाल के डाइट नमकीन डाइट चिवड़ा कर रहे हैं. People in Bihar have been eating it for ages.
proper marketing, Padmaja.
Ankit is a vegetarian, by the way. Yeah. How was, I'm sure there's wonderful vegetarian food in Bihar. What was your favorite dish? You can only name one, don't name too many.
Litti chokha, I had so much litti chokha.
Apart from litti chokha.
Okay, apart from dahi chura is very good. It's the puffed rice.
Yeah.
And you get it with curd. It's fantastic breakfast.
You know that makhana ka kheer?
Yeah, makhana kheer. Oh,
that's another
by the way,
dish.
the hotel where we were staying at, they have a dish which I have never heard of, which is lesun ka kheer. And you can't...
Here you go, Shiv.
Padmaja, it's exceptional. It's not, you don't taste lesun. It's very good.
This has
sounds wrong in so many ways.
It is so good.
That's garlic kheer for you.
So apart from numbers and trends and Bihar politics, it's really nice to see that Veera Raghav has made one. He's actually learned to do something in Bihar. But Akhilesh and Sucharita, what's your favorite dish? What's your favorite?
I enjoyed litti chokha there.
No, this was not made by me.
I was invited for a dinner at Ravi Shankar Prasadji's place, and he insisted that I should have a litti chokha. He's a very good host, and he invited all of us there. And we were there for some, say, 1-2 hours. And
litti mutton khilaya
litti mutton was there, but I didn't eat because I am vegetarian. But I had litti chokha and I really enjoyed it.
And politicians take a lot of pride in feeding journalists when you go there, right?
And very hospitable. Very, very
They laid out.
Overall, as a state, it's an extremely emotional, welcoming state that's down there.
I'll tell you a story. Very long ago, I think this was in the 2019 election when I had traveled to Bihar, and we were traveling. And that time, the roads, etc., weren't that well made. So you had to travel long distances. It took very long to even go to places which were close by. And I had gone in a field, and there were some women who were working there, and they literally, in a handkerchief, they had tied some roti and a little bit of sabzi, which was kept like in a polythene. And I was talking to them, and in the middle of it all, this lady just held up the roti to me, and she's like, "Aap bhi kha lo."
So, do you have a food story from Bihar?
No, I think what happened at Ravi Shankar Prasad's house is exactly what happens in Bihar all over.
Yeah.
There are political conversations happening over a chai and over litti choka and over they're eating and they're talking politics. I think that is what Biharis they completely thrive on. So political conversations over litti choka stalls all over Bihar is a very, very common sight, and they'll be discussing the next chief minister. They'll be discussing who's going to be in power, whether this government is staying, whether this government is going to be coming back. All those political conversations are happening over tea everywhere.